Hi guys, an update on energy fuels. Before we go into the chart, quickly you want to look at a few things. So yeah, this is the global nuclear energy generation. Why is 2025 not here? On my phone it was, and I saw that it was increasing again a little bit this year. And then you have here under construction. In the US, they are not making any. The only thing I know from in the US is that they're gonna reopen this one, Microsoft, but it's for in like 2 years, okay? And of course, then especially small modular reactors are going to be built more, I think, in the future than these large nuclear reactors. Of course, the US already has a lot of operating nuclear capacity, okay? So there is definitely demand. I think for now they get their uranium partially from energy fuels, etc., but I think also from Kazakhstan. This company is I think the largest uranium supplier in the world. I might be wrong, correct, but this chart looks a little bit in line with energy fuels, etc. It's now also breaking out, and I think also in a third wave towards this box. So I thought interesting to show you as well. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much the same, and it's looking really good. Like the chart, just the structure, it's looking really, really good. And then here, you can see again, in construction are these light blue tabs. In the US, you don't have any that are in construction, but maybe later in a few years, I don't know. Let's see. I just try to look at it here and then just to see if there's any like change. And then here in Belgium, we had one, we closed it. Like there's, I think in Belgium, one more running, but it's like, it's so old, man. I don't understand. Just make a new one or like fix the old ones. Now we're just buying electricity. Like here in Belgium, electricity is like almost 40 cents per kilowatt. If you look at Norway and Finland, it's like not even 10 cents. I don't know how it's in the US, but it's super expensive here. Anyway, that's that. Energy fuels, just zooming out, I don't know, I want to say that, look, it is also maybe possible that this was a 1, 2, yes. And then here in blue, that this was a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. If you look at it on the weekly, and this was a wave 1 by itself already complete, and this was a wave 2, and now we will go, and attack to much higher prices, and compare that to the scenario that we are following, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this final push, this will only be the wave 1, and then we will correct again. So we're in between both scenarios. I think it's just interesting to point this one out as well, because it is possible. If you look at it from the weekly, it looks like a complete one. If I zoom in on the micro, it looks like maybe we can do one more high, but I think both scenarios want to see price to the upside and take this high, okay? And we will analyze from there. If we are in this box, if we can reach it, and if we see really no weakness, then it might be an indication, okay, we're gonna go higher towards 125 and the larger fips from this one to set up in yellow, okay? And of course, if you see volume here really pick up, then that might be also an indication. But for now, both scenarios want to see this high taken, and then we can try to analyze when we are here, if we get here, okay? Next, earnings on March. Okay, that's nice. They're gonna report. But you can see here sometimes they report this much. Not really relevant, because they choose how much they sell, etc. So if I zoom in, in this, yeah, this is the labeling I have for this fifth wave then, but again, this might be another 1, 2 if we label it like this. This is what I was talking about, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2s, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 to finish it here. But let's go with this. It's the same price action, okay? From the low yesterday was a bit weak, but I'm really happy that we closed above this point of control. And we showed good reaction from here. So I'm like trying to come up what this is. This is clearly like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1, then a correction here. Then counting this as a single 1, 2 is a bit weird because of this range. Like, or it's gonna be an ABC in your wave 1. So that's why I'm labeling it at the 1, 2, and then this another 1, 2, okay? But important for, if this is the count, it is important that we don't lose this low we made yesterday, okay? At 15.12. Yeah, sorry, I want to get it perfect. So okay, 15.12 is really important. Yeah, even this point of control, we don't want to start the week red next week. Okay, I also added this trend line here from this and these 2 points. We're above it as well still, so that's good. But what if we lose this? Then we're gonna have to shift towards this being a 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we have a little bit more room to the downside. But if that goes too deep, then yeah, we might continue the correction, okay? And that this is an ABC by itself. But that's the third scenario, because if you look at Uranium Energy Corporation and if you look at that Kazakh uranium supplier, they look really good. Uranium Energy has been leading a little bit these past few weeks, and this one is really doing perfect. It's holding at a high level, so I'm leaning towards, yeah, we will make it. But it's crucial that we stay above this point of control at 15.50. Watch the trend line as well, and then yeah, this is the box we want to work on, okay? And I'll keep you posted. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.